Hey guys, today we have an iMac all-in-one computer, model number A1224, and we're going to be looking at upgrading the memory and also showing you how to take out the hard drive if you want to take out the hard drive to upgrade it to an SSD. I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first thing you want to do is on the bottom here of the iMac. So faced on the screen, and if you look here on the bottom side, you're going to see we have one screw here. So go ahead and take that screw out. I already did so. Once you remove that, you have two bays for some DDR memory. To get the memory out, you just take out this plastic flap, and then you're going to need to pull really hard until you hear almost like a click, and now you can safely remove that memory DIMM. We've already upgraded it from 2 gigs to 4 gigs. This is a DDR2 memory. This is a lot older machine. So yeah, like I said, this is how you take it apart. Pull out that thing, slide that memory in, and then you push in really hard until you feel it go in all the way, and then put that flap back in like so. And like I said, you have another bay here, so if you want to put another memory DIMM in there, you can. So that's how you take out the memory and replace the memory in an A1224. Now we're going to look at the screen and take out the screen. Alright, now that we have the screen up, we're going to take from our toolkit here, we're going to take our little suction cup, and you're going to suction it up here in that top corner. And this is all magnetic, so this whole frame has these little metal pins that go in, and it's all magnetic. That's what keeps the screen from falling out. So if we suction that top part and pull a little bit, you can see the screen comes right out. It is that simple. I wish all Macs, the newer ones and older ones, did that, because I mean that's how easy you can get your screen off. And I already did this, but there's screw holes here because there were screws in here. We took them all out. These are what the screws look like. Some of them are long, some of them are short, so make sure you put the right ones back. Once you've done that, then you can literally push this frame off. Might be a little hard because there's some tape holding it, but once you pull that off, then you got that whole cover coming off there. And now you have access to all the various components, but what we're concerned with is the hard drive. So now what we need to do is take these screws off here on the side and on the other side, and go ahead and take the screen off because the hard drive is going to be sitting right behind the screen. Alright you guys, once we got all those screws off here on the side, we are ready to pry this off. Trust me, I know we're getting there. And it looks like this computer has already been upgraded, because this is usually where the hard drive is at, and someone stuck looks like a solid state drive right in this little case here. So we're replacing this SSD with a bigger one. So you just need to undo the hard drive there and basically revert everything we just did. Make sure you remove those two additional cables, and there's a ribbon cable down there that you need to remove. So to get the hard drive out of there, we got the screen lowered, we disconnected those cables, and literally it's just a push down, and it should release just like so. And then we just need to take out that SATA cable and the power cable, and there you have it. We have our hard drive out, but this is an SSD, and we're going to be replacing it with a bigger SSD and be putting this back on. But once you do that, you just literally hook the cables back up, close the screen, and just go ahead and put the casing back on.